Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. When s approach to number 0 in here, so we put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here. So you will got about 0 over 0. E to the power of 0, you got about 1. E to the power of negative number 0, you got about 1. That's why you got about 0 in here. In this situation, we can use about L'Hospital. So that means we have the limit s approach to number 0, and we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative, of sin x, you will got about cosine x. First derivative of e to the power of x, you will got about e to the power of x. First derivative of e to the power of negative x, but we have another negative, so you got about positive e to the power of negative x. Now we put number 0 gone here, here and here. We will got the final answer. So cosine of number 0, you got about 1. E to the power of 0, you got about 1. E to the power of negative number 0, you got about 1. So this one you got about 1 over 2. Question number 2. When s go to positive infinity, this one they will go to positive infinity because this is about the highest power in here. So this is about 1. And we know that number 1 is about positive coefficient of s squared. That's why they will go to positive infinity. Similar for this one, s squared, and we know that coefficient is about number 2. Positive number 2 with s go to positive infinity, you will go about positive infinity. We know that positive infinity divide to positive infinity, we can use about L'Hospital. So we have the limit s approach to positive infinity. So that means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So if we do first derivative, you will got about 2s minus 1. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s, number 2 and number 2, you got about 4s plus 3. Now when s go to positive infinity, this one still go positive infinity. Number 4 with s, number 4 is about positive number, so you got about positive infinity. Now we continue use L'Hospital. So we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So now we just have only number 2 and number 4, and we simplify that's about 1 over 2. Now let's go to the next one. When s approach to number 0, we put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, and you got about 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of a to the power of s, you got about a to the power of s ln 8. First derivative of 2 to the power of s, you got about 2 to the power of s ln number 2. First derivative of s, you got about 1. So when s approach to number 0, we put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, and we got about ln 8 minus ln 2. So we can put about ln of 8 divided by 2, and we got about ln of 4, and number 4, that's about ln of 2 to the power of 2, and we can write about 2 ln number 2, and this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. This one, when s approach to number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, you will got about ln of 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. So that means about this one, we can do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So you will got about the limit s approach to number 0. First derivative of e to the power of negative s, you got about negative e to the power of negative s. First derivative of sine s, you got about cosine s. First derivative of negative cosine s, you got about positive sine s. Because first derivative of cosine s, you got about negative sine s, but we have another negative sign in here, that's why you got about positive. Now go to numerator. This one you got about 3s squared minus 4s. Now if we put number 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, they still got about 0 over 0. So we continue use L hospital. So we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about e to the power of negative s. First derivative of cosine s, you got about negative sine s. First derivative of sine s, you got about cosine s. This one you got about 6s minus 4. Now we put number 0, 0, 0, 0 gone here. So this one e to the power of 0, you got about 1. Sine of number 0, you got about 0. Cosine of number 0, you got about positive number 1. If we put number 0 gone here, you got about 0. And you got about negative number 4. So we got about 2 divided to negative number 4. And you got about negative 1 over 2. Now let's go to the last one. So for this one we can write like this. So when s approach to number 0, ln of number 0, they will go to negative infinity. When s go to number 0, 1 divide to number 0, and we know that this is about square. That means this one you call about positive infinity, positive number. When they go the limit on the left or on the right, they always go to positive number. 1 divide to positive number, and s go to number 0. This one they will go to positive infinity. So in this situation, negative infinity divide to positive infinity, you will use about L hospital. So that means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. First the derivative of L and S you got about 1 over S. First the derivative of 1 over S square you got about negative number 2 over S to the power of 3. Now we simplify s and s. You will got about number 1 in here, negative number 2 over s square. So we put s square go to numerator. So when s approach to number 0, this one you got about 0. That's it the end. Thank you for watching.